I spend over 50,000 pesos on all these tools when you can do it all with the complete 27-piece Rovers Rocket Fix system. And don't worry, you're not going to pay 50,000, not even 30,000, not 15,000, and hey, it's not even 10,000 pesos. Call and order right now and you'll get yours at a special low discounted price that we've put together for all our viewers.
You get the heavy-duty motor rocket base, drill and driver head with 6 different size screw bits, magnetic bit holder, 6 assorted drill bits, the oscillating head, L-blade, C-blade, scraper blade, sanding pad, 3 sanding sheets, hex key, 18-volt battery and charger, plus the easy read manual.
And we're not finished yet. Order right now and we'll also include the world-famous Polaroid HD sunglasses for free. These amazing polarized sunglasses are designed with advanced diamond vision technology that protects your eyes and cuts the sun's glare and delivers optimum clarity, contrast and color. They're a 3,000 peso value, but order right now and they're yours free. Still more, if you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country.
You get it all. Everything you've seen here today, all for an incredibly low, direct from the power tool manufacturer's specially discounted price. And here's the best part, a solid, ironclad money-back guarantee. We're so confident that you're gonna love your Rovers Rocket Fix as much as we do that we're going to give you a whole 30 days to try it out for yourself. That's right, use it for a full month, and if you're not completely 100% satisfied that it's the fastest, easiest, and most affordable way to give your home an extreme makeover, simply send it back for a full refund. No questions asked.
So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by calling 683-3344. That's 683-3344. Our friendly operators are standing by right now to take your call. Or visit our website at tvshop.ph, where you'll find this and many other exciting new products. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. Call 683-3344 or visit tvshop.ph and get yours now.